Good day, my name is Wale Agbola. Welcome to Achieve Success. Today on Achieve Success, I want to talk about the power of excitement. The power of excitement. Listen, excitement is the drive for success. You've got to be fired up. You've got to be excited. Whenever you are excited there's joy within you, it brings alive all your energy and strength for accomplishments. It turns the light of favor all around you because you are excited. Even when you don't know what to do and you're excited, it's easy to get inspiration. When you are sad and you are weak, it kills motivation inside of you. It kills coordination, and you lack vision, you lack ideas, you lack inspiration. Insights will give way. You just have to be excited in your execution, in your plans, in your strategies, in what you are doing in life. Excitement is key. Honestly, there's a magnetic force of attraction around excitement. You check out people around you, those that are excited, those that are happy, and people naturally gravitate towards them. The same with success. Success is not achievable when there is no excitement. I want to say that again. Success is not achievable when there is no excitement. Excitement is the magic, is the power of attraction that attracts. Listen, it's spiritual. It's invisible. It awakens your energy. It motivates you. It gives you insight and inspiration to use your discretion in making things better when you are excited. Excitement is like a generator that powers everything, that powers the electrons inside of you. It awakens you. You discover that you will be alive. You need to be alive to succeed. Honestly, you are too sad, dejected to move forward. Excitement is very key. And you know what? In your success, in achieving success, you've got to be crazy. What did I say? You've got to be crazy. And simply excitement makes you crazy. Honestly, they should think that something is wrong with you. The people should think that what is the problem? It gets you fired up. Excitement gets you crazy. You are crazy about your achievement. You are crazy about your goals. You don't see your challenges. You don't see what is coming around you because you are fired up in your spirit. There's something inside of you that is actually pushing you. That push you, and every resistance you have around you will not be able to stop you. It is excitement. You've got to be excited. You've got to be excited about your life. You've got to be excited about your work. You've got to be excited about your relationship. You've got to be excited about your challenges. Honestly, I'm not saying that challenges cannot bring you down or make you sad. But do you know what? I'm telling you that it is excitement that brings you out. So when you are sad, the next thing you'll be looking at, how can I be excited? Look for what excites you. Go to places that excite you. Move around people that excite you. They are the people that motivate you. They are people that inspire you. If they don't excite you, they are killing creativity inside of you. And I have to say, excitement is the power of creativity. It brings out creativity. It brings out innovation. But when you are not excited, it kills innovation inside of you. It kills creativity. When you hang around people that doesn't make you excited, they kill your creativity. When you go to places that does not inspire you, excite you, you discover that you don't move forward. You stay on the same spot. Your life will just be a burden to yourself. And the moment your life be a burden to yourself, you're a burden to people. People don't want to stay around you because you are killing their joy, you are killing their inspiration, you are killing their creativity. So excitement is very key in the school of success. To succeed, you've got to be fired up. You need your energies awakened. There are energies inside of you that needs to awake through excitement. For example, if you want to start a vehicle, and you're trying to kick a car, the kick will roll through the flywheel, and it will start from the batteries exciting each other. It will just excite. There's going to be an excitement. It's going to be a spark that will send electron to roll the kick of the car, and the car will smile and laugh at you. The zoom, and if it's the one that will shout and say, ha ha ha, that's all about excitement. Honestly, you can't do the journey of life without excitement. You can't do the journey of success without excitement. I'll be back after this break.
Achieve Success with Wale Agboola. Watch the episodes on personal success, relationship success, career success and enterprise profit, leadership success on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook and YouTube as he addresses critical issues affecting every aspect of human, social and spiritual development.
Welcome back. My name is Wale Agboola, your success coach. Today on Achieve Success, I've been talking about excitement, and I want to actually I want you to internalize it. I want you to get deep into you. Go and check people that are succeeding. They have what excites them. Number one, the first question I'm going to ask you: what excites you? You've got to identify what excites you, because when you know what excites you, that's what you always use to achieve your success. You must discover it. Listen, in my life, I've discovered that what excites me is what is my push to my execution, is my push to my achieving my success. So I always move around those things that excite me. I can stay awake all night without sleeping because something excites me. Whenever I'm excited, I get fired up. I become crazy. I will begin to dance. I don't know how to dance, but I'll just be dancing. I don't care who is laughing at me, but something is exciting me because it makes me to move forward. The second thing you need to know is that where excites you. Honestly, always go to where excites you. Go to where your excitement is. Don't go to where there is no where your excitement is. When you get to the place, you're always down. You're always feeling rejected and dejected. You're not happy. Honestly, I want to tell you, each day you get there, creativity dies inside of you. And creativity does not die. When creativity dies, it does not make noise. You just discover that you become redundant, you become useless, you become irrelevant, and with time, they don't need you again. If you are working in a place and there's no excitement for you, does not excite you, you are tired of going to that place, please resign before you die finally. Because do you know the danger? If you don't live on time and you are dead, you will not be useful in other places. You'll not be useful in other places. So you just have to know where excites you. Number one, you know what excites you, you know where excites you, and you know who excites you. Very important. Relationship is key in life. And you don't move relationship with people that does not excite you, that does not inspire you, that does not give you a push to succeed. My dear, you cannot succeed on your own. You need influences around you. You need influences. Even when you know you have decision, you make decision, right decision, you are taking the right step. Listen, you will influence. Things influences, environment influences you, people influences you, things that influence all around. So you need to know who excites you, so that you move around people that excite you. It's not necessarily that it's your husband, it's not necessarily that it's your wife, it's not necessarily that it's your family. All you know is that there's something that excites me about these people. And don't make a mistake of converting that excitement relationship into marriage or anything or whatever it is, if actually it is not. If it's for the purpose of excitement, because if you are not careful, if you go into a marriage because somebody excites you, you may discover when you get to marriage, you may not find that excitement again. Or you go into a deep relationship because of somebody excites you, you get into it, you may discover, face reality, and it's not there again. And you discover that you'll now be saying, this is not who I married. Yeah, if it's about excitement, keep it as excitement, except you have a relationship come into it in one way or the other that is not that does not have to do with excitement. So to succeed, what I'm saying in essence is that to succeed, you need excitement. Especially in a world that everything is working against everyone. You need people to excite you, you need places to excite you, you need things to excite you. And I want to understand this success is beautiful when, the excitement of success is not actually, that's the peak of excitement. Success is little excitement that become big joy. I want you to follow me on Facebook, subscribe to my YouTube channel, AchieveSuccess.tv, and for episodes of Achieve Success, and subscribe. Also, like my my Facebook page, Wale Agboola. 24, also GSG Impact. Till I come your way the next time, I remain your success coach, Wale Agbola. Bye for now.